Where am I? There's my Canada Kuya Kc. By the way, Kuya Kc is here for all the Luna stuff except for Chu.
I know. I leave 4 days before she comebacks.
He's here for Lusembo, Eve, and Artemis. But yeah, Chu will pop up, don't worry. But yeah, we're gonna try to go to the I Saw You sign, but they took it out. I was like, what the heck? But
yeah,
oh well.
It's not there anymore.
2 for Hyunjin.
Oh, coming out here.
Gonna take the subway. Yo, let's go, let's go, let's go.
See it again.
I feel like I'm Soul Walker right now. Lemonade with boba, very interesting. Triple S, girls never die, let's go. Going to Lotte Young Plaza for who? Kuya Kc?
For Matt.
Okay. Yo. Sweaty. 안녕하세요. 와. Okay, hopefully I get
You can't
hustle.
establish just by like being a...
Okay, Kim Lim, but I'm gonna try to trade.
Oh, Julie.
Julie.
Oh, Julie, yeah, Julie, yeah. Oh my god. No, okay, Julie.
Look at all the stuff Kuya Kc bought. Alright, successfully traded for hustle and got another hustle.
No.
And then Kuya
I
gave
have
me
this.
the Heejin macaron chocolate. And this one is my message. Ah yeah, baby. See, this is high level IQs from me. Not sponsored, but Gatorade, please sponsor me. Yo, look at that. Oh, what do you call that? Hue? I don't know. But it's a bit like teal there and then blue up here. Times Square. Just bought these for my sister. I literally stumbled upon this place just winging it. Now we at the Nien birthday cafe. Unfortunately, she's in another country right now. Great timing for me again.
바로 달렸는데 가니까 또 셀레리 바로 가족들이 아이스크림 주시네.
Shoutouts to Matt, by the way, for giving me this free Chaeyeon freebie. Let's go. 안녕. Kamusta 여러분?
안녕하세요.
Names?
Hello, I am Reynaldo. My name is Oliver.
My name is Cha. I'm Megan.
Just met them climbing
Nice
up
to meet you.
to Namsan.
Tower. Namsan Tower.
Now entering the love locks. Literally everywhere.
I can remove it. 저기 버렸다.
Love on lock, love on lock. Just like the waist in my Glock. Hey! No, I'm just kidding. And it just keeps going and going and never ending. Actually, it ends over there. But look, up there. Whoa, more. This view in person is crazy. Oh boy, yeah. Lost for out there. Oh, the lighting's bad. Not only is there love locks, but there's love pictures. I found me some Dippin' Dots, yes, and they have chocolate, finally. America, where you at? Dippin' Dots, chocolate acquired. Baby Shark for Elias, Ellie, and Bun Bun. There are hella pandas. I didn't realize Nien had I got another shortcut photo of Nien. There, full picture. Got my ticket, let's go. Yo. We're ready. Ayo. Oh. Wow. No Vegas, but LA and San Fran pretty much my time zone. Just straight in that direction. Alright guys, found Manila. Straight in that direction. Alright, goodbye, Namsan Tower. Found the Triple S photo cards. Let's go. Thank you, Matt. Way more than 8, by the way. I'm finna purchase them all. Just bought a whole pack, which I shouldn't have. Well, oh well, gotta put in the extra work hours. But yeah, 너무 감사합니다. GS25. Yo, on a last walk with my roommate, my Aussie roommate Harrison. Let's go. Shout outs. We just walking by Hangang River and all that.